This is the Benchmade Steep Country. It's one of the most popular hunting knives on the market, and it just happens to be Andy Morgan's favorite hunting knife. I'm gonna show you how to sharpen it at home using the Ken Onion Elite, and then I'm gonna show you how to maintain it out in the field using our Guided Field Sharpener. Let's get into it. The Steep Country uses S30V steel. It's a great super steel that does a great job maintaining an edge. So we're gonna use a pretty steep angle of 20 degrees on this. That's slicey enough to get through what you need to, but it's also robust enough to hold up to slicing through meat and hide, and maybe even hitting the occasional bone. Because this blade geometry is so thin, we don't have to get real aggressive with the angle. We just need to remove a little material and get it ready to go. For sharpening at home, we're using the Ken Onion Elite. I'm gonna set the angle at 20 degrees per side, and then I'm gonna start with a coarse belt if the edge is in need of a lot of repair. If the edge is actually pretty good from last season, maybe you didn't get your deer, you can go ahead and start with a finer grit. The goal here is just to put a razor sharp edge on the knife before we get out in the field. Once you're out in the field, carrying a field sharpener will make maintaining your steep country fast and easy. The great thing about the Guided Field Sharpener is it has built-in angle guides at 20 degrees, so that perfectly complements the angle we put on the knife at home, so that when touch-ups are needed out in the field, you can do it quick and easy. How do you know when the edge is in need of maintenance? If the knife just feels like it's losing bite, a few light passes on a fine diamond or ceramic is all you need to bring the edge back. You're not trying to completely resharpen the knife in the field, you're just maintaining the edge you already established at home. Use light pressure and let the abrasive do the work. Remember guys, whenever you're working with a knife, a sharp knife is much safer than a dull knife, so we want to maintain it as we use it. That's how I'd recommend sharpening the Benchmade Steep Country. One thing to keep in mind, these principles apply to just about any fixed blade you want to sharpen. The biggest difference is going to be in the steel and the angle that you choose to sharpen it. Those will always affect the performance of the knife. Thanks for watching, guys.